that the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, إِنَّ إِبْلِيسَ يَضَعُ عَرْشَهُ عَلَى الْمَاءِ. Iblis establishes his throne upon water. ثُمَّ يَبْعَثُ سَرَايَاهُ. Then he sends out his troops to cause corruption. He said, فَأَدْنَاهُمْ مِنْهُ مَنْزِلَةً أَعْظَمُهُمْ فِتْنَةً. And at the end of that evening, the Shaytani troop who will be nearest to Iblis is the one who causes most corruption. يَجِيءُ أَحَدُهُمْ فَيَقُولُ فَعَلْتُ كَذَا وَكَذَا. They will report back to their lead, Shaytan, Iblis, and they will say, I did such and such. Corruption. Iblis will say, مَا فَعَلْتَ شَيْئًا. You've done nothing. Then a second one will come and he will say, مَا تَرَكْتُهُ حَتَّى فَرَّقْتُ بَيْنَهُ وَبَيْنَ امْرَأَتِهِ. I did not leave those two married individuals till I separated between them. Then Iblis will say to him, نِعْمَ أَنْتَ. You are the one. And in another narration of Al-Amash, he adds, وَيَلْتَزِمُ. And he brings him near to him. You are the one. You've separated between husband and wife. This is it. And as a rule, my brother, my sister, when Shaytan puts his money for a cause, we are to pay attention. He has invested so much time and effort and his men into destroying the institution of marriage.